Hey Floppa, you like my new look? I'm literally all red, like, right now. And do you like this new look? Also, I'm pretty much drippy right now.
George, why are you all red?
Okay, it might sound crazy, Floppa, but you told me to take a bath, and I just want to be different of myself. So I put strawberries in it, and then blended it, and then look, I'm right here now. So are you happy?
So you put strawberries in a bath.
Yes.
God, you're so stupid. You know what? Since you're acting dumb, I'm gonna go check the mailbox. You barely do stuff in this house. Ugh, why does George have to be so stupid all the time?
Oh, you've got to put some swaz on it, Grummy.
What are you pointing?
Oh, what is this place? Oh no. Oh no. 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 No.
Where are we? Wait. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. No, no!
Oh, Gooey, what just happened? I feel like I passed out since the 1st century. Welcome you all to the spaceship. I am dark red, but you can call me Red because I obviously knew who you are. Anyways, we decided to gather you all on this ship, and we need your help. Yeah, I'm sorry to ask, but why do we want to help you again? Because there's an imposter on this ship, and that means we're gonna have to do our tasks in order to find out who is the imposter.
So you're telling me you knocked us out and brought us to the ship so we can find the imposter? Papa, calm down. This is only a mission we're doing and then we can go home. Fine, you're right, armless cat.
Good answer. Now let's get our tasks done. Ninja out! Alright, Sparky, how are you doing? Sparky? Sparky? Well, I suppose if you want to see your dog, come in here. Okay, if you say so. Wait, no, what are you doing? No, no!
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
La 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 la, what's that in the sky?
Alright, what happened? I found Yellow dead in electrical. Oh, my bad. Okay, I know it might be like this, but we gotta find the imposter. So let's just all skip and continue what we're supposed to do.
5 minutes later.
So you're telling me you survived 50 rounds of this ship?
Yep, I survived 50 rounds of this ship.
Well, that's fine. It's not like someone's gonna attack.
Purple, you're the imposter? Why, yes, I'm the imposter. Well, since it's only you here, I suppose I should kill you! It's over, Dark Red. I shall be the new commander of the next event. Ha, you think you can beat me? I'm all powerful now. You can't even do anything. Floppa, hold up. I got this. Ha, you really think you can... Can we go home now? I wonder what took so long to make this episode in like 7 months.
George keeps tickling my tootsies.
Hey, yo, what the?
Yo, the pizza here.